In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a refund receipt using your accounting software, a process that will streamline refund transactions and help maintain accurate financial records. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the plus new button on your toolbar, which is your go-to location for initiating any new transaction or form within your accounting software. Once you're there, you'll see a comprehensive list of options. Find and select the option labeled Refund Receipt. This is the form you'll need to use whenever you want to issue a refund back to a customer. The refund receipt form is crucial because it not only allows you to return money to your customer but also keeps your records straight by reflecting this change in your books. Once you've opened the refund receipt form, you should be greeted by fields where you can enter all necessary customer and refund details. Start by selecting the customer from whom you initially receive payment and to whom you'll be returning money. Your software likely has a drop-down list where you can quickly find and select the customer's name, ensuring that the refund is accurately attributed. After selecting the customer, move on to enter the relevant refund details. This can include the date of the refund, the original payment method, and the items or services being refunded. You might also need to include any additional notes explaining the reason for the refund, which can be beneficial for both record keeping and communication with the customer should there be any future queries. Remember to double check all the information you've entered to avoid any mistakes that could lead to discrepancies in your records. After all the details have been entered correctly, take a moment to review the entire receipt form. It's crucial to ensure that every piece of information is accurate before proceeding to the next step. If you've confirmed that everything looks good, you now have the option to save and send the refund receipt. Saving the document ensures that the transaction is securely recorded in your system for future reference, fully integrating this financial change into your historical data. If needed, sending the receipt to your customer is a courteous and professional way to keep them informed. It reassures them that the refund process is complete. Depending on the software you're using, you might have the option to send it via email or any other preferred method, which often enhances customer satisfaction and trust. Congratulations! You've completed the process. Creating a refund receipt isn't just about following steps, it's about ensuring accuracy and maintaining positive customer relations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped clarify how to handle refunds efficiently.